Hi everyone, how's it going? I wish you're happy and healthy today. We are going to continue focusing on common errors in English. Today's video is going to be about adjectives that fall into the same category, those like happy, unhappy, satisfied, pleased, angry, and so on. Let's get started with looking at the guy in the picture who's giving you a big like. All right, he is happy for, no, he's happy about, oh no, he's happy with, or maybe he's happy from. It can be confusing at times to decide which preposition to use with these types of adjectives. Let's see what prepositions are best in different types of contexts. So, pleased, happy, angry, with, for, or from. They're going to give you 3 sentences and you're going to choose the right preposition for each of them. The first one, the teacher is pleased from me or with me. Next one, are you angry against me, with me, or from me? And the last one, are you happy for or with your job? Give them some thought, make up your mind, and choose the right one. Okay, now let's see which is the best for the first one. The teacher is pleased. If your answer is with, then you deserve a wild applause. Bravo! And why do we sometimes mistakenly use from with these types of adjectives? That's as a result of our first language interference, our mother tongue. In several languages, a preposition like that comes with these types of adjectives. And then subconsciously we continue applying the same in English too, which is grammatically wrong. Now let's take a look at the other sentence. Are you angry? If your answer is with, then good job. Good job, congratulations. That's right. And why do we sometimes use against? Maybe because being angry is not friendly, right? The same way that you defend yourself against an attacker, or some soldiers fight against the other army. Maybe being angry can't be with, but not here. Angry is followed by with. Angry with, and never from. And now let's look at the last one. The answer is again with. Are you happy with your job? For is right for people. For example, you can be happy for someone. I'm really happy for your father because I saw him running in the park. He has completely recovered from that disease. He's up and running. I'm so happy for you. You have won a lottery. Now let's take a look at 2 similar prepositions that can follow happy or unhappy. Happy about or happy with. They are usually interchangeable, but there is a slight difference. To be happy with is to be happy with a situation or a lifelong experience. For example, you might be happy with your career, you might be happy with your married life, you might be happy with your family. It's a kind of situation that you can be happy with. But what about happy about? Happy about has a sense of happy by. It means happy that something happened. I'm so happy about my purchase. I went shopping, I paid for something, and I'm happily using it. Or, my teacher is really happy about my test results. So, that's the meaning, and that's the difference. And now let's call it a video, and I hope it was useful for you. If it was useful, don't forget to share it with those you might think that can be find useful for them as well. Alright, see you in the next video, I hope, and have a great day.